What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am the Hobbyist, and today I just wanted to talk about a couple aftermarket parts for an Axial Scx24. This is the C10 variant, and the upgrades I'm going to be talking about are specific to this Chevy C10. So the two things I want to talk about are the Rc4wd drive inner fenders and rock sliders. Now they come in black, but I've painted them silver. These can be bought online at Aiming Hobbies and other retailers. They are by C&C Hand, which is Rc4wd drive off license. Comments about the installation. It's very smooth, so if we turn it on its side, you can see there are two screws in the fender on the front and one screw in the back. You do have to take off the rear shocks, or at least the top of the rear shocks, because there's this little bar that goes around it. So you just unscrew that screw there, and you put it over. And then there are two screws right here in the skid plate, and then there are holes so that the other screws in the vehicle and the chassis can fit through just fine. And then this rock sliders are held in with 4 Phillips head screws each, which are included in the package. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love the look of these rock sliders. They are absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend them. For those of you who are unsure, these are 3D printed components. They are not injection molded, so 3D printing can be a little bit more brittle. But for a vehicle this small, it really does not matter. And 3D printing is easy to paint. I mean, I just took some tester's paint and brush painted that, no problem. Yeah, so these are fantastic parts by Rc4wd drive. These are the Chevy C10 specific ones. You can also get inner fenders for the Jeep Wrangler, and you can also get rock sliders for the Jeep Wrangler in this style, and then there's also another style. You cannot get any inner fender wells or rock sliders for the deadbolt, unfortunately. I suppose you could put these on, but there are not any inside fender wells that are designed to fit inside these lines, so it wouldn't look very good. And because of that, you can't put the rock sliders in, because the rock sliders screw into the inner fenders. So something to keep in mind, if you have the deadbolt, unfortunately you cannot put these accessories on, but if you have the Chevy C10 or the Jeep Wrangler, they will work just fine. B17 Betty, I am unsure. The C10 ones might fit, but I am unsure on that point. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how in the back here, when you put these fenders on, they come too long, and so I have trimmed them so that they meet the edge of the fender. But with these on, you cannot open the body all the way. It will fall back down. Now you can trim this back if you want. I did, just to make it look better. But that's something to keep in mind. Other comments though, they look amazing. When you take a look at it from there, you see the great blacked out look. You've got the great rock sliders showing through. The body fits in these nice little notches right in here, but they look absolutely fantastic. So that's all I have to say, guys. So if you like the video, please click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment in the section below for any questions that you may have. But that's all for today, everybody. Goodbye.